Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to talk about the I help statement. This is a one-sentence statement that will give you more clarity at the moment of reaching out, getting new clients, and creating content for your ideal customers. Okay? This is something that I learned from Sebastian Gomez, my mentor. Basically, this sentence is made for you to have clarity in your message at the moment of reaching out, at the moment of connecting with people, at the moment of creating content that helps that ideal customer of yours. Okay? And this is very important to have, because if you don't have a specific customer that you want to target, you are all over the place, it's going to be very difficult for you to attract the right customer, for you to reach out and know specifically who to target. Okay? That's why I created my I help statement today. I work on that and now I have it clear. And for me, this is also a video to remind myself what is my I help statement, have it recorded so that I can come back and look at it to remind myself who should I target, who should I reach out, and what type of content should I create for my audience. So basically, I have two businesses, one is affiliate marketing, the other is providing my own services. So I have two I help statements. I'm going to share with you in this video the I help statement that I have for my own services, and it is: I help small and medium-sized businesses get more leads and customers by leveraging paid advertising and funnels. That's it. That's my one sentence. That's my I help statement. I have to have clear every single day when I'm reaching out, when I'm creating content, so that I am able to attract that specific type of customer, that specific type of people to work with me. I encourage you to create one for your business. Doesn't matter if it's an online business, an offline business, if you are a doctor, a lawyer, depending on the service that you provide, depending on the products that you sell, you must have an I help statement, because it will give you a lot more clarity, as I mentioned before, at the moment of getting new clients, creating ad campaigns, creating content in video and written content that is going to help you attract more people and scale your business in a smoother way. Okay, you wanna be laser focused, you wanna have the sniper approach, not the shotgun approach. You wanna be really clear where to go, and by doing this, by having an I help statement, this is going to help you a lot. Okay? That was everything I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. Also, I just finished setting up on my website a 4-day free training with my mentor Sebastian Gomez, that if you're interested about learning how to start online, affiliate marketing, funnels, email marketing, is going to help you a lot. There is a lot of information, very valuable, for free there, so I encourage you to check it out. I will leave the link in the description, and with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.